We're just gonna chillax today, but I'm just saying I will tell you a little secret. I almost sound like Ramona, cause you know. See, I will make a Ramona voice right now. You little brats! Oh my gosh! This is totally unfair. But one day I will get you, and you don't know how it will feel. I'm just saying, I almost sound like her. Brittany, maybe. Oh my gosh, it's the little squad. I don't even want to see them. Talk near to me. Talk to him, boo boo. I don't even know what I just said. But if everybody is out there, watch my video, and I can't wait to meet you someday. Peace.